The historian Alfred McCoy says it was modeled on the Los Alamos in a way, a kind of Manhattan Project for the mind. So just as the atom had been disassembled and transformed into this new world had emerged from that program, that intensive exertion of scientific acumen, the same thing could be done with the mind. The mind could be sort of pulled apart, and human consciousness and functioning could be people could be broken down and rebuilt.
Were they trying to optimize the use of the mind to their advantage? Like, what was the end goal that they were trying to do with this?
A couple of things. I think one idea was it potentially could be a weapon. One goal. Another, so it could be used on an enemy, perhaps even a city. So that's one reason they were researching LSD. It had certain properties that made it could be easily dispensed to an entire population through the water supply. So they wanted to know what exactly are the properties of LSD. People didn't really know at the time. So there was an offensive part of it. There's also a defensive part. So U.S. military needed to be trained to resist whatever this was. Once they understood it, they developed the SEER training, and West was involved in that as well. And then a third thing was maybe a broader curiosity about, which would lead you to be able to interrogate people better, and perhaps also to, just really understand. I think there was also kind of a curiosity about what would happen. I think because they had so much power to experiment in a way without any oversight. And it wasn't until 1963 that the Inspector General of the CIA himself said, this is unethical, and we've done it. Basically, put a stop to it. But it really was
63.
Yeah.
But it went on. I mean, the Harvard LSD studies. When were those?
I don't know which ones exactly. There are some that were earlier.
What are the ones that made Ted Kaczynski?
Okay, that's earlier.